Good morning, students. As we are continuing with the chapter Quest of Discovery, so part 1 and 2 we have completed. In this video, we will discuss about some famous personality or discovery, and we will identify these famous personality from their discoveries and achievements. Okay, so pictures we are given and about discovery is also written in front of the picture, so we have to read this and then we will identify the name of the person. Okay, so look at the first picture. This is the picture of famous explorers. So discovery, this Hollywood movie director means this person is the director of Hollywood movie, journeyed to the Mariana Trench in 2012. There he discovered previously known species of sea cucumbers and shrimp-like marine life. Okay, so there he discovered अबाउट द अननोन स्पाइसेस, ऐसे जंतुओं के बारे में जिनका कि हमें उस टाइम तक पता नहीं था, जो कि समुद्र में रहते हैं. ठीक है, तो इन्होंने कुछ ऐसे जंतुओं की डिस्कवरी की एंड ही रीच देयर इन 2012 एंड देन ही डिस्कवर अबाउट दिस, इसके बारे में इन्होंने डिस्कवरी की. सो दिस इज़ द अचीवमेंट ऑफ दिस हॉलीवुड डायरेक्टर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ दिस पर्सन हु डिस्कवर अबाउट दिस? So the name of this famous personality, this person is James Cameron. Okay, so James Cameron is the Hollywood movie director and he reached in Mariana Trench in 2012 and discovered about the unknown species of sea. Okay, the second we have, look at the second picture. So this is American archaeologist. Archaeologist are the person who do research on the old things, जो कि पुरानी चीज़ों के बारे में रिसर्च करते हैं. That is called archaeologist. Okay, so this is American archaeologist came across the icon city of Machu Picchu in 1911 while looking for another ancient icon city. So ये आए थे icon city Machu Picchu में 1911 में. Okay, so this is the, what is the name of this person? The name of this person is Hiram Bingham. Okay, Hiram Bingham third. So this is our American archaeologist and he do research on the old thing. Archaeologist means only the person who do research on old things. So he came to the icon city in search of he came to the icon city of Machu Picchu in search of another icon, ancient icon city. Okay, so the name of this person is Hiram Bingham. The third picture we have, look at the third picture. So here many type of skeletons are found. Okay, so this is also called skeleton lake. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे you can see in the picture that there are skeleton in the picture you can see. So near this lake many type of skeleton are found. Okay, so Roopkund Lake is also known as skeleton lake. रूपकुंड लेक है जो, उसको skeleton lake भी बोला जाता है. This forest ranger chanced upon the lake and its hundred of skeleton in 1942. जो फॉरेस्ट रेंजर था इसने चांस लिया. ओके, and it hundreds of skeleton in 1942. So H.K. Madhwal took the chance upon the lake and it's hundred of skeleton in 1942 means ढेर सारी मात्रा में skeleton इसमें पाए गए. Okay, so in this near this lake there are many skeleton. Okay, the next we have, look at the picture. So this is she is a leading oceanographer and avid diver. She discovered underwater sea dunes and was one of the first people to identify changes in the sea and the effect of pollution on marine life. कि पॉल्यूशन का मैरीन लाइफ की जो पानी में जीव जंतु रह रहे हैं उन पे क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है पॉल्यूशन का। सो शी वॉज द फर्स्ट पीपल टू आइडेंटिफाई चेंजेस इन द सी, कि समुद्र में क्या चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, इन्वायरमेंट का क्या डिफरेंस आ रहा है, क्या इफेक्ट आ रहा है। ओके, सो इन्होंने इसके बारे में डिस्कवरी की। सो द नेम ऑफ दिस लेडी इज, you can see the picture, Sylvia Airy. Okay, Sylvia Airy. So this lady do the discovery underwater about sea dunes and was the first people to identify changes in the sea and the effect of pollution on marine life. Okay, and the next page you are given the statement. State whether these statement, exploration and journeys are true or false. So this you have to do yourself. If you face any problem doing this, then you can ask me, contact me anytime. Okay, try to do firstly. If you are not able and face any problem, then talk to me. So watch the video and also read this topic. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.